Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be talking about any and unknown type in TypeScript. Here we have two variables called anything and nobody know. Let's say I want to increment both of them. Simply we would write anything plus plus and then nobody know plus plus. As you can see, we are facing some errors on nobody know plus plus. It says nobody know is of type unknown. So basically, when we use type any on a variable, we are telling TypeScript, hey, it could be anything. And what do I mean by that? It's literally disabling the type safety. When we are using TypeScript, the main thing that we want is type safety. So here is when unknown come in handy. When we use unknown, we can have something like this, but before that, before the action, we have to check the type first. So we should write if type of nobody know is, so we want to increment it so we know is number, and we are good to go. And this principle goes for any possible values. For example, a string, we should say type of nobody know, and a string, we can say nobody know is, we can call some actions on it, some functions like to uppercase. So what about objects? Objects are a bit more difficult. For example, we want to access password property on both of them. So we say anything dot password. No errors, but when we do the same for nobody know, we face error. So first of all, we should check if nobody know is not null, and then we should check if nobody know is an object. So we say type of nobody know if it's an object, and also we should check if password property exists in the nobody know object. So we say password and nobody know, and then we can access without any error. So basically, when you use unknown on a variable, you are saying this variable is a set of possible values. But when you use any as a type, you are telling TypeScript, hey, I know better than you the type of this value. This code is not something that you would love to write, but we have to have type safety as much as we can. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.